it's a cold evening. What temperature is outside? 6 degrees, yeah, that's about right. So cold, but it's dry and it's not meant to rain, so I said I'm going out on a bike. But it's somewhat dry. It was pissing rain like pretty much all week. There's also snow and ice. Oh, okay, bike. It's still really cold, so engine braking's kind of a no-no. Ah, yes. Oh, I forgot I wiped my mirrors and they're kind of fuckered now. I wiped them, but I didn't clean them. I was meant to put glass cleaner on. I want to thank every single one of you guys for subscribing. I know a lot. Oh, what the fuck was that bounced? A lot of you came from. Oh, it's gravel. Oh, yeah, no wonder. A lot of you guys came from the Gorilla Bikers video and Lucky Luke Rides video. So I want to thank all you guys. It means a lot to me. And I'm really trying to be consistent. Like 1 or 2 videos a week I'm putting out now. Hope you enjoyed the Zero SRF ride. I just thought it was so funny. That 7 seconds into the video I got the bike wrong. I was so excited to ride that bike. I've never ridden an electric bike. There was so much hype about that bike. There was so much hype about that bike. And then I was also reading an article where they got the name wrong. It kind of stuck in my head. And then with being all excited, I just never thought about it. For Franklin's, I apologise. I just thought it was so funny that I got the name wrong. Oh, sorry. Trying a few new things. Obviously my quality is up. Huge thanks to Mad Moto Lad for actually telling me. He actually messaged me, sound guy, go check him out. But he actually messaged me on Instagram saying, hey, your last video sucked, basically. He never said that, but he basically said it sucked quality wise. Here's how you do it. Look at my video, you dumb fuck. I was also trying not to curse as much. That's what I'm really trying to do. Just, I think a big thing about my channel not taking off, and I don't want to speak at red lights, but you can hear me. I feel like I can't appeal to everyone.
Today, Junior.
And a lot of that is cursing. A lot of people don't like cursing. A lot of the younger people don't like cursing. They also don't want to be watching videos with their parents and then there's someone cursing. It's one thing I really wanted to try to do, just limit my cursing. If you noticed in my Zero ride, I actually censored all my curse words, except for one. I think I left one in there by accident. But I censored them, and the only reason I censored them is because Franklin's were kind enough to let me ride that bike, and they also wanted to see the video, so I wanted to be a little bit respectful, and that's why this part with the speed is in a separate video, because like what they've done is they've actually put that on their Dundee ad. I've got loads of views from it as well, so I just wanted to be somewhat semi-professional about it. So obviously the video quality is jumped up. The only thing that naturally jumped up with it, or could have, was my audio. So I have a GoPro adapter, which I swore I'd never get, but I'm going to do a separate video on the pros and cons of the GoPro adapter versus an external audio recorder. You know, there's pros and cons to each of them. I have my reasons, okay? Don't hate me. Also, I didn't buy a brand new one. I'm not that stupid. I see blue lights behind me. Are they for me? I hope not. So everything just got put up that little notch. I wanted to make my content just that much better, that much nicer, and kind of compete against everyone else. There's all these smaller channels coming out now that just have miles better quality than me, so I'm really trying not to curse. I almost said fuck. I'll leave that in on purpose, you know, kind of have to. As of watching this video, got my 3 favorite decals printed. I think I have about 50 of each, and I've opened up an Etsy store, so you can buy a pack of 2 Mono Dragon stickers, mix and match, or if you want all the same you can. €8 for 2 stickers, which I think is very fair. That also includes free shipping in Northern Ireland and the Republic, and then anywhere outside of Ireland it's $170. Disclaimer for any of my stickers as well, please allow, like in Ireland and I think in Northern Ireland as well, it's next day delivery, but please allow like 1 to 3 days. I have it on my my Etsy store. But just so you guys know, allow at least 1 or 3 days, and that's simply just because I get up at 5:10 in the morning and I'm not home till about 6 o'clock. So every post office is closed. I don't work near a post office. I also only get half an hour for lunch, so that's just to allow me to give me time to actually process the order, as the cool kids say, make it sound like I know what the fuck I'm on about. If you're buying outside of Ireland, just allow that a little bit longer, because I don't actually know on post times. They're a bit hit and miss. If I drop them off in the morning, they'll be processed and delivered out or dispatched that day. Oh my god, that's loud. That is obnoxiously fucking loud. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. I know the camera is not going to pick that up, but holy shit. That was so fucking loud. That was so loud, oh my god. I'm excited for this year for the channel. Last year I really just didn't give a shit. I just kind of, I don't know. I really don't know. I kind of just lost the fun. But literally ever since I bought this bike, also I will be doing a full review of this bike. But ever since I bought this bike and I've upped my quality and everything, I've really just enjoyed making videos again. All those videos I made with the Gorilla Biker and what would Grant do, like, they were so fun to make. And I hope you guys could see that I had a lot of fun. Normally I spin on my own and that's shit, it's boring. I hate riding on my own, like I am now. But it has to be done. I haven't plugged this in a while, but if you guys are looking for rim decals, Moto Dragon 10 for 10% off, spinning stickers. I get nothing from that. It's just 10% off for you. But that's the video. Hope all of you enjoyed. Again, go to my Etsy, check out all that shit. I hope you're excited for 2020 as much as I am. And again, if you guys are watching this for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all that good shit. I sound like a real YouTuber now, oh my god. But that's the video. Hope all of you enjoyed. Like, comment and subscribe. I'll talk to you on the next video.